Hi, I'm Max, and I'll be presenting relaxing sounds. There are no animations or pictures because it's only about the sounds, okay? 3, 2, 1. Alright, here's another relaxing sound. Hey, what else should we do next? Oh, here we are. If you didn't think that was all, then we will do some rain sounds from a water bottle. Alright, it's great to be me. Well, that was relaxing sounds. I hope you have a wonderful day because you're gonna need